Hey yo, asphalt still steaming from last night's pour. Ashtrays overflowing. Mine's moving faster than the clock on the wall. Sunrise rips the curtain, coffee's cold, the stakes are high. 20 in the pocket while the system bleeds you dry. The old head on the stoop don't preach, he just leans back. Watch the zip code shift while his bones begin to crack. Wind cuts through the jawline, a ghost of who left soon. Where the court was the only sanctuary under the moon. In the shadows where the street light starts to blink. Pager buzzing on the hip, no time to stop and think. The loud ones fold first when the pressure finds a leak. The street's a heavy book, but the tongue is often weak.
Late night rides, catching reflections in the glass. Dusty tapes, spinning stories from a haunted past. Old souls drifting through the soot and the gray. Same hungry streets, just different roles to play.
Tired of counting paper, started counting all the scars. Peace is a luxury when you're staring through the bars. The L train screeches, the city never finds its sleep. So brothers sell their soul for a debt they couldn't keep. Watch your step on the pavement. The concrete's got a brain. Too many legends died before they even caught the train. From the basement to the ceiling, never lost the grit. The drum breaks filthy just so I can feel the soul in it.
Late night rides, catching reflections in the glass. Dusty tapes, spinning stories from a haunted past. Old souls drifting through the soot and the gray. Same hungry streets, just different roles to play.
Long nights change people. Some break, some adapt. Street lights flicker outside the apartment window. Cold coffee on the desk, another night moving slow. Phone screen glow reflecting deep in my eyes. Everybody wants the crown, nobody ready for the prize. I stopped chasing applause a long time ago. Now I move quiet, let the results show. While the city sleeps, I'm still awake, building something real with every risk I take. Feel the pressure, hear the wires. Some people fold, some survive the fire. Pop says, stand tall when the pressure gets heavy. Mama says, stay calm, keep your hands steady. Now I'm moving through the dark with my jaw locked tight, trying to build a better life one long night at a time. Rain hit the glass while the baseline breathe. Same old scars underneath the sleeve. I learn real fast, not everybody stays. Some disappear quick when the money gets strange. Train tracks hum outside the avenue. Old mistakes still echo in the room. I don't talk much, I just stay focused. Every late night session keeps me closer. No shortcuts, no easy way out. You either build or disappear. Pop says, stand tall when the pressure gets heavy. Mama says, stay calm, keep your hands steady. Now I'm moving through the dark with my jaw locked tight, trying to build a better life one long night at a time. Still breathing, still moving, still breathing. Still remember every block. dinner while the radio plays. Sunset hit go through the fire escape. Old school sneakers hanging over the wire. Young dreams burn slow like the city on fire. Ice cream truck passed down the avenue lane. Kids yell loud while the old heads play spades. Everybody had plans bigger than the street, trying to turn hard times into something sweet.
Hold on, even when the world moved cold,
Still riding
through the night with my people close.
oh,
Old memories spin like the records we stole,
trying
tryna keep that feeling while we all grow.
Train doors closed while the rain rolled in. First gold chain, cheap smoke, fake Timbs. Everybody wanted fast money and shine. Now we look back wishing we had more time. Phone booth glow underneath the stove sign. Laughing too loud somewhere around midnight. Whole city hum like an old cassette tape. Still hear the drums every time I stay awake. Oh,
Hold on, even when the world moved cold, still riding through the night with my people close. Old memories spin like the records we stole, tryna keep that feeling while we all grow.
one day the summer disappear, but the music stay forever. Yeah. Sunset on the boulevard. Palm trees, chrome wheels. Another ride through the city. Sun fade low, while the avenue glow. Old school Chevy moving extra slow. Palm trees sway while the speakers knock. Same old stories outside the liquor shop. Blue sky shine through the cigarette smoke. Everybody got dreams, but they barely stay close. Couple old friends still posted by the stove, talking about the days when the rent was low. Window down, let the whole world breathe. Summer nights, moving slow through the heat. Baseline ride while the city drift by. Lost in the glow underneath the street lights. Helicopter lights somewhere far downtown. Kids still hooping while the sun go down. Old man watering the grass out front. Radio play another West Side cut. Ice melt, slow in the drink by my seat. Warm night air mixing with the concrete heat. No fast life, no race to win. Just one more ride with the system dim. Window down, let the whole world breathe. Summer nights, moving slow through the heat. Baseline ride while the city drift by. Lost in the glow underneath the street lights. Late nights, West Side dreams. Yo, check the mic, 1, 2. Word up. This ain't no new school.
It's that true school flavor.
Yo, check the mic. 1, 2, word up. This ain't no new school. It's that true school flavor. Afternoon chill, that's my daily ritual. Hard knock life, concrete jungle, no soft landing. Young cats talk loud, but they missing the message. Ain't got the heart, the soul, or the street perspective.
I kick down these doors, watch the whole cipher ignite. Pager buzzing heavy right beside the mic. All that fake noise get tossed to the side. Real ones move silent while the weak ones hide.
If it costs my peace, then the price too steep.
Fake ones fade out
while the real don't sleep. Word is born, baby, we keep it real.
From the projects to the top, still chasing that meal. Keep it real. Keep it real. Yeah, yeah.
Not too far to reach, but don't come with your baggage. Cold world living, every scar turns savage. I don't preach much, I just play my position. Talk is cheap, everybody got opinions.
Welcome to my crib, watch your step on the floor. Table still set, just don't knock at the door. Fake gold dreams and plastic car stars. I'm making real music underneath these stars.
If it costs my peace, then the price too steep.
Fake ones fade out
while the real don't sleep. Word is born, baby, we keep it real.
From the projects to the top, still chasing that meal. Keep it real. Keep it real. Late night trains in the cold street breeze. City lights flicker through the smoking tree. No shortcuts here, no easy way home. Just drums, dusty records, and a heart of stone.
Tape hits while the city stay awake. Real rap lives every move we make. Still right here when the fake all fade. True school sound never go out of phase. Mirror's looking back, and it's got questions. What a phase, staring at the glass, seeing the cost. Where's the flow? The pen is dry, the vision is lost. Top tier beat makers sending the heat, and I'm just stalling. No soul on the sheet. Running from the war, the fight in the dark, building the cage where there used to be a spark. Addicted to the chaos, on the edge of the pier. Feast foot the animals, fed by the fear. Locked in the clinic of my own damn mind. The clock is a hitman and I'm running out of time. Concrete beneath the abyss, look back, so I bare my teeth. Complexity, complex, no necks in the beat. Sweating out the poison, cleaning the kit. If life is a test, I shredded the page. Walking through hell just to feel my own rage. Thus spoke the ghost in the machine. just a silence. The weight is heavy, but the soul is steady. Yeah. No room for the weak when the blueprints are drawn. I'm working in the shadow till the break of the dawn. Forged in the iron where the spirit is tested. The legacy is built while the others have rested. They rest, they fall. I don't need a crown made of silver or gold. I need a story that's yet to be told. While they chasing the wind and the hollow applause, I'm honoring the code, I'm following the laws. Respect the silence. Respect the path. I am the fire, they're just the air. When I grow up, I'm gonna rule the sound. The master of the flow, keeping feet on the ground. Mama, when I grow up, I'll be the one they fear. The architect of everything, the message is clear. Frame by frame, I reconstruct the soul. The architect of rhythm, I'm in full control. The glitch is a weapon, the silence is the prayer. I'm rising from the dark like a smoke in the air. I don't bet on luck, I don't trust the machine. I'm the king of the unseen, the ghost in the screen. Memory is steel, vision like a blade. Crafting the future deep in the shade. The only truth remaining that'll never die. When I grow up, I'm gonna rule the sound. The master of the flow, keeping feet on the ground. Mama, when I grow up, I'll be the one they fear. The architect of everything, the message is clear. Frame by frame, piece by piece, frame by frame, piece by piece. Still awake. Steel toe boots scrape across the wet floor. Rain hit the window while the bass shook the door. Ashtray full, cold coffee by the sink. Too much on my mind, no time to think. Everybody talk big when the room feels safe, till the pressure hit hard and expose what's fake. I seen good men fold when the money got thin. Seen quiet ones survive when the chaos kicked in. Hold your ground, watch your step. One bad move, that's all it takes. Pop said stand tall when the pressure get rough. Mama said one cold world gonna test you enough. Now I'm riding through the storm with my jaw locked tight, trying to build something real through these long dark nights. Train tracks hum while the city's half asleep. Blue lights flash through the cracks in
the street. Phone screen glow on a tired face. Still chasing something I can never replace. No big speeches, no throne, no crown. Just heavy footsteps when the sun go down. Every scar on the skin got a story attached. Every late night loss turned a lesson to last. No shortcuts, no clean escape. Either adapt or break. Pop said, stand tall when the pressure get rough. Mama said, one cold world gonna test you enough. Now I'm riding through the storm with my jaw locked tight, trying to build something real through these long dark nights. Still moving, still breathing.
Yeah. Ride slow, ride slow, ride slow. Yeah. Ride slow. Yeah. Ride. Chrome wheels spin slow by the laundromat light. Baseline shake, loose change out my pocket tonight. Smoke from the food truck mixed with gasoline. Neon signs buzz over the whole damn scene. Couple dudes shoot dice by the alley gate. Old Caprice lean hard with the lights and play scrape. Girl laugh loud from the passenger side. Everybody look alive when the drums collide. Hands on the wheel while the whole block move. Street lights bounce off the fresh black coupe. 808 knock, make the sidewalk shake. One more lap through the city before daybreak. Sneakers, 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 sneakers. One more lap through the city before though. Sneakers, 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 sneakers. Yeah. One more lap through the city. Sneakers stick slightly to the stove flow tile. Cashier half asleep, but he still crack a smile. Blue lights flash far down the avenue lane. Nobody slow down, everybody stay the same. Talk, cans chillin' in the bucket of ice. Old head still talking about the good old nights. Window halfway down while the warm air drift. Whole boulevard ride to the sound of the kick. Hands on the wheel while the whole block move. Street lights bounce off the fresh black coupe. 808 knock, make the sidewalk shake. One more lap through the city before daybreak. Another night ride. Same summer heat, same baseline. Yeah. Respect the legends. Yeah. Respect the legends. From the south side to the world. I'm sitting in the dark where the cold shadows creep, thinking about the promises the brothers couldn't keep. The world is like a mirror with a jagged broken face, trying to find a signal in the cold and empty place. I don't talk about the gold, I don't talk about the fame. I'm just a 12-bit soldier in the 16-bit game. It's a masterclass in tension, it's a lesson in the soul. Trying to stay steady while I'm losing all control. The stats are on the wall, yeah, the ink is turning black. Looking for the wisdom in the middle of the track. It's the rhythm of the struggle, it's the logic of the street. Searching for the fire while I'm pacing on the beat. The beat the low 4, the sequel low 3. The prophecy is written for the world to see. Yeah. Respect the code, keep it heavy. I
seen them chasing lightning till their eyes turned into lead, building up a kingdom in the valley of the dead. I'm a veteran of gravity, I'm a product of the floor, finding every opening in the locked and heavy door. Every rep is a collision, every breath is a demand, writing out my destiny in the middle of the sand. I don't need the fake love, I don't need the empty praise. I'm a master of the furnace and the architect of haze. The iron's getting rusty, but the grip is getting mean. Living out the truth in the world is never clean. I stay loyal to the struggle, I stay grounded in the blood. If the world is a river, then I'm standing in the mud. 60%, the margin of error. Stay focused, stay authentic. Yeah. Final verse, the record's jumping with a sharp and jagged sound. Digging for the spirit that was buried in the ground. I'm a glitch in the program, I'm a pebble in the gear. Doing what the rest of them are terrified to hear. I stay grounded in the furnace, keep my eyes upon the flame, while the heavy smoke is rising to the hall of faded fame. This is legacy, man, it's written in the sweat. In the world of empty symbols, I'm the only winning bet. I'm closing up the session, let the beat begin to fade, reflecting on the progress and the moves that we made. 90s in the marrow, yeah, the lineage is deep. Before I lock the vault and let the city go to sleep. Yeah. Respect the roots. We out. Yeah. Yeah. We made it to the end of the tape. The storm passed. The sun is hitting the brick now. It's not about the noise anymore. It's about the peace. Watch the light. The dust is settling down on the trophies I never saw. Thinking about the quiet battles that I finally fought. The mirror isn't a ghost anymore, it's a friend looking at a road that doesn't have a bitter end. I'm trading the armor for a linen shirt and a smile, knowing that the journey was worth every single mile. It's a masterclass in balance, it's a lesson in the grace, finding all the beauty in a once crowded place. The sky's turning gold, yeah, the clouds are drifting by. No more heavy questions, no more asking for the why.
It's the rhythm of the beat, the logic of the soul.
Yeah.
Fine and feeling steady while I'm reaching for the goal. The struggle was the teacher, but the wisdom is the prize.
Yeah.
Watching all the truth reflected in the morning sky.
Yeah. Let the soul sound. Yeah. Feel the warmth. I've seen them building walls just to keep the world away, but I'm opening the doors to the light of a brand new day. I'm a veteran of shadows, but I'm walking in the sun, knowing that the hardest part of the race is finally done. Every breath is a symphony, every step is a release. Trading all the chaos for a moment of the peace. I don't need the loud applause, I don't need the fake gold. I'm a story of survival that is finally being told. The iron's in the corner, yeah, the work is in the bone, but I'm standing in the garden and I've never felt alone.
The challenge is over. The challenge was you. The challenge is won.
Authentic. Final verse. Yeah. Final verse of the album, let the record spin light. No more hiding in the middle of a long and heavy night. I'm a ripple in the ocean, I'm a leaf upon a tree. Finally understanding what it means to be free. I stay grounded in the gratitude, keep my eyes upon the blue. Doing what the spirit always told me I should do. This is legacy, man, it's written in the calm. Holding all the future in the hollow of the palm. I'm closing up the session, let the music fade away into the golden whispers of a perfect summer day. 90s in the heart, but the vision is brand new. Before I close the book and let the light come through. Yeah, album complete. 10 chapters, from the furnace to the peak. Keep it real. We out.